Three things make this vegetable lentil soup so good. It's full of nutrients and considered to be a complete meal. Second, it's loaded with flavors. And last, it's easy and made of simple ingredients. There are a lot of variations for this soup, but today I'm going to show you the one I grew up eating it. First thing, we will prepare our vegetables. The main vegetables here are onions and carrots, but you could of course customize or add your preferred vegetables. So peel and chop one medium white onion. You could also use red or yellow onions. Just chop it roughly as we are going to blend all the vegetables together later. Next, peel and dice one medium carrot, as the carrot will add a nice little sweetness to the soup, and once it's diced, add it to a bowl. Now I'm going to add one medium zucchini and again chop it and add it to the bowl. Finally, I'll add one large baking russet potato. I like to use them for the soups because they are high in starch and low in moisture, so they will add a natural creaminess to the soup. But you could use white or Yukon Gold potato. So dice it and transfer it to the bowl with the other veggies. And as I told you earlier, the choice of veggies is flexible. These are just my favorite. So let's now start cooking. Turn on the heat into medium-high and add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a pot. Then add the diced onions. Saute them until they become translucent. Then add on the rest of the veggies and saute them with the onions so they sweeten and make a beautiful flavor base. Now add 4 minced garlic using the garlic press, give it a stir, then add 3 bay leaves. And the best way to create depth of flavor for this soup is adding dried limes. These limes really make all the difference. They have deep citric flavor which take the lentil soup from really good to amazing. Just be sure to poke some holes in them like this so they can release their flavor when cooking. You could find them in any Middle Eastern or Persian stores. Now for the spices, add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I like to saute the veggies with the spices together to get them infusing and release their aroma. This is the moment you know that the recipe is going to be very good. Next, I'm going to add an organic chicken bouillon, or you could use vegetable bouillon. I added 1 tablespoon, which is equal to 1 cube, then add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Now we will take 1 cup of red lentils, rinse them in a cold water, then add them to the pot and mix them together. And cook with the tomato paste and the spices for about 2 minutes. Now add 4 cups of water. And if you want to use chicken or vegetable broth instead of water, just don't add the chicken bouillon that I added previously. You want now to give it a quick stir to mix all of the ingredients together and bring it back to boil. Then reduce the heat to low-medium at the lid and simmer it for about 30 minutes until the lentils become tender. Let's check it after 30 minutes and give it a quick stir. It looks perfect. I'm just going to add a squeeze of lemon juice. Now it's time to blend our soup. I'll blend the soup with this immersion blender, but I'll not make it completely smooth. I like the soup to have some texture. Give it a stir one more time and the soup is excellent now. This is exactly how I like my lentil soup. What I suggest to you is that you make a big pot to save some for a couple days ahead, because this soup is delicious, hearty and filling. It's incredible when you are hungry and want something flavorful. It's packed with plant-based proteins, fibers and filled with warm spices. So give it a try, and if you like it, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.